everybody, how you doing? Quirky Panda here. I almost forgot my name. Like, yeah, what was that? A snorkel? Quirky Panda here. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Happy that you came to visit. Please stay, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell so you're always notified for anything that I post and you're up to date with me, because you don't want to miss out on anything that I post on this channel. And thank you for coming. You definitely want to be in the Panda family, so hit that notification bell. Comment down below that you hit the notification bell, and you can be in comment hashtag notification pandas, and yeah, and then I will give you a shout out on the next video. I'm gonna, I see people doing this around YouTube, and I want to do it. I want to be in the crowd. I want to be in crowd. Also, if you're not new to the channel, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for staying. Thank you for being in the Panda family. I love you. Thank you for the support. Amazing. I'm trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to hit 100. You know what I mean? But I'm reaching for the stars. I want 1,000 subscribers. So help me get there. And maybe have a giveaway, giveaway. We're going to be trying something new here. I'm going to be trying to use 2 cameras at once. So bear with me. I'm new at this whole two cameras at one thing. I don't really have a good table. I'm just starting out. So be nice. No mean comments, please. Positive feedback is welcomed, but nothing negative. Every time I film, my neighbors walk by and they're so loud. I'm a little off balance because I misplaced my engagement ring, so my brain is all over the place. When you lose something especially important as an engagement ring, thankfully it is in this house somewhere. I'm hoping I didn't throw it out with slime. I usually take it off to play with slime, but I'm not going to stress. Alright, let's get this started. Let's get this party started. Started. Boop. Alright guys, so we have a underrated slime shop here. Her name is Lynn. She's all the way from Hong Kong, and let me tell you, this girl she's all shipping her slimes from Hong Kong, and she gives free shipping. Seriously, that is amazing. That is dedication to her company. That is just all around applause. Because there's people that live right to town next to me, and they're charging me $5 shipping. Seriously, she's giving free shipping, and her prices are manageable, are affordable, and she has the cutest charms you ever see. That's what caught my eye about her slime shop, is the charms and how she sets things up. And I hope the slime's as good as the appearance of the slimes, because I would be wigged off, snatched. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this box. That was a long intro. Sorry about that. Grab some snacks and all, and some drinks, because I've ordered a lot of slimes. So I have 5 slimes in all. I'm going to have a camera facing the table, that way you can see everything that I'm doing. Like I said, I'm new to this, so bear with me when it comes to this whole situation right here. And we're going to, we're going to make it work. and you guys are going to be super duper nice about it. You're still going to be nice to me, right? Alright, let's see how she packed it. You know, packing is everything, especially coming from Hong Kong. I hope everything's okay and made it safely. The box doesn't seem damaged in any way, so that's good. Alright, so how I know, is this, I don't know if this is extras or, oh, she gave me a couple of things. Extra, okay. I don't know, I know what she does is she puts all her stuff separate because of the travels. So I don't know if this is an extra bag or if it is just what is supposed to be in the slimes. So I'm going to take everything out and lay it on the table. So we got a squishy here, a little squish. I have a couple of these little kitty cat ones. I love them. Okay, so I see some nice things in here. What is this? Oh yes, if you make an order over a certain amount of money, she handpicks a water bag. It's a mini water bag. Oh, I wish she would have picked something girly for me because she picked like a wolf, and I am so girly. Like, I am the girliest girl ever, and I would have loved, she has some really cute ones, and I would have really loved if she would have picked a girly one for me. But she gave me this wolf one, which I appreciate, but Lynn, my next order, pick something girly for me because I'm super girly. I'm so girly. So, yeah. Oh, it's so soft and it's so cute. I can definitely use this on, you know, that time of the month. But I do wish that she picked, there's so many cute ones that she has. She could have definitely picked me out a cutie patootie one that was like super girlyish, and yeah, this one's a little boyish. So she gave me this little piggy extra, and I guess this is how she does her extras. She does things, she doesn't do candy. So now that I know that she throws in these type of extras, I would actually prefer this type of extras because candy goes so fast. This is like so darn cute, and I love stuffed animals. I'm wondering if she thought I was a boy though. But it is cute. I love the little pig, and I did tell her that I loved her pig charm that she had, so I think maybe she picked this out because I love the pig charm so much. So she was like, oh, she likes piggies. So, or he likes piggies. She probably thinks I'm a guy. I don't know. With how she picked this out, it makes me think that she thinks I'm a boy. So, I don't know. But, yes, this is so adorable. It's Superman. If you can't see, Superman. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3. So she gave me no extra slimes. Sad day. I was hoping she would throw in an extra slime, but she didn't. It's okay. You know, she doesn't have to. People don't have to give you extras. Even if you're reviewing for them, they don't have. There's no rule to say that they have to give you extras. All like extras, and we're gonna go through that. Let's go in this bag and see what's in there. Alright, so she gave me one of these little squishy kitty cats. She gave me one of the little kitty cats. I love these things. I love them. I think I already have this one, but that is all good. Oh my god, so adorable. Oh, these are so cute. This is what I want to do to Kakashi. I want to just squeeze his belly. Another, so how she does her slimes is she puts everything separate so you can do it on your own, which is kind of cool. But then sometimes adding supplies, you have to wait overnight and for it to be like all pretty and stuff. So I kind of wish it was already pre-installed, but it's gonna be fun to do it myself. Like, especially if I didn't make slime myself, this would be so amazing. It would be an experience altogether, and it's going to be an experience altogether anyway for me, even though I make slime. But for that, it definitely an experience for somebody that does not make slime. So she gave me these. Oh my God, she is adorable. So she gave me these like cute little piggy, these piggy clothes hangers. Like, look at them. Oh my God. Can you tell me they're not adorable? Alright, what else is in this baggie? It's probably my borax. That's probably where she puts the borax. She gives you loads of borax. I'm guessing because of all the slimes, but I got 3 things of borax here, and she puts little labels on them that says borax. Alright, so thank you. She gave me 3 bags. Now, if I didn't have any borax, I would be set. This is well over enough of borax for these slimes. Thank you. And what's the letter say? The letter says slime care instruction. Here, I'm a coffee fanatic, so if you love coffee as much as you love me, if you love coffee as much as me, comment down below. Hashtag coffee is everything. Alright, let's get this started. I hate to unwrap these because they're so beautiful. Like, look at them. They are so gorgeous. I'll show you them all before I unwrap them. But I think she specially wrapped these. I don't know, because I know she does do gift wrapping. If you're buying them for a party or for a friend's birthday or something, or holidays, she will gift wrap them for you. And that is just so cute. Alright, this one leaked a little bit. Just a little bit. I mean, it came from all the way from Hong Kong, so you can't expect much. But it's not even hard, guys. It's not even hard. Like, seriously. This has some, like, moo moo cow cow. Look at that logo. That is goals, guys. That is such the cutest logo ever. Like, I want her to be my bestest friend ever. Puts a smiley face inside. Oh, guys, seriously. Like, I keep looking at myself. I have to stop that. And then here's her logo. Oh, and the slime that leaked is still good. Oh my God, I just got it in my hair. It's still nice and like okay. Alright. That is amazing. Alright, so everything kind of shifted to the side. All the goodness, see all the goodness shifted to the side. So we're gonna put, let me make sure I got all the slime off there. I love this. Like, I don't know where the cows come in, but that's fine. That is totally fine. because how it looks in the picture, I will put it up on, I will put the picture up and like show you the picture. It's got so many charms. I'm actually going to try to put the charms where they're supposed to, but I don't think I'm going to be able to because put all the charms in. See them? They are so adorable. So it did not need to be activated whatsoever. That is nice. What? Finger just... I wish I still had my nails. Oh my god. So amazing. It's so clear. It's got so many things going on with it. Like, seriously? Yeah, this is like amazing. Anyway, my light was acting. Oh, what's up with the cowl? The cowl stuff? The cowl like wrapping? But, okay. I don't get it. So these are the charms that you receive with your mermaid bath. They are super, super duper cute. And obviously, there's random ones that you receive. These are the ones that I received. And normally you would get hearts in your slime. I didn't receive the hearts. I don't know why. So let me show you how clear this is. Like, look at it. That is clear, guys. It might need a little bit of activator, but I'm not going to activate it until I play with it a bit. It's so clear. But I love, love, love these pearls. The pearls are amazing. I think they're so pretty. They're so, so gorgeous. Look at pink pearl. Okay, so look how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. Like, gorgeous. The only little problem I'm having is the fishbowl beads keep falling out, but it's gorgeous. Not want any beads falling out. is so pretty. So pretty. Alright, let's move on to the next slime, guys. Slime time. Alright, so now we got Sleeping Beauty. This is one of my faves, okay? It is so pretty. I can just imagine what her gift wrap is. I wish I would have ordered one gift wrap just to see how it looked. I should have. But I spent so much money already that I need like a bigger table. I live in an apartment, so and I don't live in LA. I live in like Northern California, so that we don't have like glamorous apartments with beautiful countertops. So here is the log. It is so adorable. I swore she made this. Like, it's so cute. There's a sleeping pig. And the sleeping pig goes on the log, like so. You can't see it because... And here is all the... how she calls them toadstools. I call them mushrooms. And she gives you a lot of charms. So, that's amazing. This is a little sticky. I'm going to just spritz just a little bit of activator on it. I would not mix this with it because I don't think it's good for slime. I think it would stick to it really bad, like it is. Okay, let's do this. I was hoping it would be a little more thicker. It's not as thick as as I expected it to be. I can't even like. I think she definitely has to work on her thick and glossy slime. It's not the worst I've seen. So at least it's not jiggly. You have very good slimes, but these containers are just horrific. They're horrific. Especially for slimes that inflate. Alright, so our next slime up is coffee bread, and it scents it. It's coffee bread. It's scented like coffee, and it comes with 4 different charms. This is an inflatable slime, which I would be super excited about if I didn't have to deal with these nightmare containers. And the sticker that she uses, celebrate, hooray. And this lid is like destroyed. Ay. Same thing, label, smiling face. I'm frustrated, so I apologize for the aura that I'm letting off. I'm just a little frustrated with these containers. So, oh, what was the scent on this one? Let me smell. It said this smelled like bubble gum, right? Yeah, this is supposed to smell like bubble. There is no scent in here. It's supposed to smell like bubble gum. If there is a scent, it's very, very light. I smell glue. I do not smell bubblegum. And my senses are good, okay? And I do not smell a scent whatsoever. I don't know if my mind's playing tricks on me and making me smell a scent. I smell it, but then I don't. It's very, very, if there is a scent, it's super light. It could have, you could have went a little more heavier with the scent, because I barely smell anything. So, if there is a scent there, bubblegum scent, I barely smell it. It's very, 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 very light. Now, this is supposed to smell like coffee. Like I said, it's the coffee bread 8 ounce from Cocoa Slimes. Again, very, very light. With the rose scent, whatever this smelled like, this is strong. I don't know if it's the body wash she used in it, if she used like a body wash or something, or like a hand soap that has a scent. But all of them should be like that. It's not too strong, but you smell it. The ones that have a scent, you can't smell them. You need to make them a little more stronger. Like, just it's kind of like cooking. You gotta put the scent in, sniff, put the scent a little bit more in, sniff, and once you can smell it, and you gotta remember, we are getting little batches. We don't have a big container. When you have a big container of slime, you're gonna smell the scent. You have to put it in a little container like you're selling us, and see if you smell anything. If you don't, and if you don't smell anything, you add a little bit more until you do smell it. There's a scent there, but it's very, very, very slim to none. Like, very slim to none. With this slime here, the bread slime, you get a little donut, chocolate donut, like stuff that you would eat with coffee. I would definitely eat this with a coffee. I'm scared to put this in the slime because certain donuts charms don't go well, but I think it will. And then you get does this have a sticker? I'm not going to put this in the slime. I'll put it like this, but I'm not going to mix it in because that sticker will come off and I want this to stay cute. You get a Starbucks charm. You get a little Starbucks cup. I love me my Starbucks. And then you get a little, oh my god, my fingers just won't work. You get a little pastry, a little cupcake. That is so cute. And then, does this have a sticker? Yeah, this has a sticker too. And then you get a little smoothie, Starbucks smoothie. Look how adorable. Now with these, you can't mix them in with the slime because the slime will take the stickers right off. I've learned my lesson with that. And the stickers came off because I played with it. So let's take these out so they don't get ruined. Now this is a I'm thinking it's a bread slime, so I guess like it's an inflating butter slime or a mousse. It's very soft. Let's see if it comes out. I don't even want to do that to these containers. This might need just a little bit of activator, just a little bit. Alright. I like getting all my slime out. All of it. Alright. Oh, this is so soft. This is so soft. Is anyone that watches my channel gamers? Because yeah, it has the same, I don't know if it's Model Magic or if it's Sizzly. Or she gets it from Quirky Slime Company, because Quirky's Slime Company's clay. I know, I smell glue. I wish I could smell that scent, because I love to smell some coffee scent. That would have been amazing. I'm going to try to get this to puff up. Logo, as always, fishbowl beads, and the name. Actually, it's upside down. Right there. 10-ounce Goldfish in a Pond by Coco Slimes on Etsy. I don't know why. Etsy, but whatever. These are microwavable. Alright, let's open this baby up. I'm excited. This is 10 ounces of slime, guys. It's 10 ounces. 10. For only $15. For only $15, guys. Free shipping. Can't beat it. You ain't getting it. No, you ain't getting that price anywhere else. Okay? No, you isn't. No, you is not. Now, I am so regretting not ordering the other 10 ounce because the cotton candy comes with little puff balls, and they're different colors that you can pick from, and they come separate. You put them in yourself, and it's in a 10-ounce container. Yes. Okay, so let's put everything in. She even gives you extra fishbowl beads on top of what's already in there. Hopefully these ones do not fall out. Let's actually do the finger test. The finger test. Oh, this one's a little soft. It's a little thing of glitter. Look at that. A little thing of some glitter sequins. That is amazing. So let's put the sequins in. I love this. It's so much fun. Like, you can either save the stuff that the extras that she gives you, or you can put them in. I love it. I love it. I'm loving it. Comment down below where that's from. And if you're down in my description box, tell me, comment the little secret that is down at my, there is a secret in my description box. If you read in my description, comment the little secret. It's somewhere either in the middle, top, middle, or end. And I'm not telling you what it is or where it's at. Little fishies, you're the one. You make me fun time, swim time, so much fun. Little fishies, you're the one for me. Do 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 do. It's a little ducky, but we're saying fishies.
Little ducky, you're the one. You make fun times, bad times so much fun. Little ducky, you're the one for me. Dee 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 dee.
I'm losing my mind. Alright, so this is what it looks like after you decorate it. That's what it looks like. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Alright, let's play with this baby. Put the fishies in there. Let them swim. Swimming time, baby, baby, baby. I never know how to play with this kind of slime, like stuff with slime with stuff in it. Like, it's sticky, and I don't want to put lotion on my hands because it's clear. Let's get this out. Alright. Like, look at the clearness. What? Look how clear that is, guys. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God. Like, seriously? Oh. No. Like, I like looking in the monitor. Oh, here, let's put the fish. I love scraping the fishbowl beads from the bottom. Like, who else loves to scrape the fishbowl beads from the bottom of the container? You can actually, like, see me. It doesn't even look like there's slime in front of me. Little fishies, you're the one. You make my slime time so much fun. Little fishies, you're the one for me. Dee 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 dee. It doesn't even feel, it feels like 8 ounces of slime. I guess that's because I play with slime all day. No, fish bowls are falling out. Yeah, something about her slimes, her clear slime, fishbowl slime, that for some odd reason the fishbowls do not stay. I've never made a fishbowl slime, but I've heard it's not the easiest thing to make because of that reason, and because it's hard to get the right ratio. And I didn't activate it, I didn't do anything like that because I already knew that there was going to be an issue. Okay, final thoughts. I'm going to make this really quick because this video is already long enough. I'm new at this. Apologize. After I do it for a while, my videos will be shorter and shorter each time, so I promise you. Final thought on her slimes. The slimes are amazing. She puts a lot of thought into her charms. I love that she includes charms in all her slimes. That is amazing. There's a lot of slime companies that short out on that option. Like, that is a great way to boost up your price and make the customer's experience even better. Everyone loves charms. Even if we don't use them in our slime, we love collecting charms. It's just a thing. The charms don't cost a lot of money, so just include them in your slimes. It's not going to cost you that much money to include a charm into your slime. But it makes it so much more amazing when you have that charm. You look forward to the charms. That's what caught my eye to her store. Her shop had her charms were just so cute. They were so different compared to everyone else's charms. And her slimes, her actual recipes are really good. Now the Sleeping Beauty's white base, thick glossiness white base could be thicker. I'm not regretting buying it whatsoever. It was a good slime, and it's fun. It's clicky. It makes noises. It's all kinds of goodness. The scents could be stronger. The one that said it didn't have a scent had a scent. The rest, I couldn't smell anything. I couldn't smell nothing. And you missed out with that coffee scent. Oh, it would have been amazing. And with the one of these had a gummy scent. I think it was this one or this one. It would have been amazing, but there was no sense. I didn't smell nothing. And the containers. The containers are cheap. They are cheap. They break. Once you've got something in that inflates, you can't shut it because these are like jello containers. They're super cheap. They break. They're not good. I'm surprised they made it through the mail. Up your game on your containers, because these containers are not doing it. Get these kind of containers. These are way better containers rather than these containers. Once the slime inflates just a tad, I mean the bread slime didn't even inflate that much, but the little bit that it did, I couldn't shut it because these are so cheap. Get better containers. These gotta go. Got to go. The presentation on your slimes are amazing. Your labels are cute, unique. Love them. I love that you put the name of the slimes on the bottom. You could definitely maybe throw it. Well, the extras. I'm not even going to say anything about what you could throw in because your extras were adorable. This was adorable. What else was it? All your charms, adorable, and you gave 3 bags of borax, amazing, and this is adorable when you spend a certain amount of money. But I do wish you would ask, like, would you want what one a person would want, because I would never pick this one. It's just not my style. It looks more boyish. I've seen the ones you had, and I would have picked something else. That kind of is a little bit disappointing to me because whatever. I just don't understand the whole wolf thing, like big bad wolf, what. I'm not into it. I'm into, like, what was it, because of the little piggies? Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why you gave it to me, the little piggies, big bad wolf. I would have definitely liked the little girl, or there's so many other cute ones that you had that I would have loved. This one, I'm not happy with it. But I'll use it, and, you know, I appreciate it. And I love the squishy. I love these little clothespins with piggies on them. Oh my god, amazing. You did a great job. You did amazing. You knocked it out the park with these slimes. All I'm asking from you is get better containers. Better containers. Get better containers. And when a person spends a certain amount of money, you know, pick something different. Like ask them what they would like. Give them just give them 3 options. You know, you don't have to give them tell them to go pick, or tell them to go pick. And you know, I would have loved to go pick and something I would actually enjoy. Especially because I'm the one spending the certain amount of money to earn that free gift. I should have a choice of what you're shipping to me. Yeah, but I love your products. I love your slime. Your slime's amazing. I love your charms. I love everything about it. Just up your game on the only thing I really ask you, if you take anything out of this review, is up your game on your containers. These containers are going to bring you down. People aren't going to like them. But everyone that's watching this video that isn't her, I know she's smart. She's going to up her game on these containers. She's not going to have these containers. Definitely go shop at her shop. Her slimes are amazing. She has amazing charms. She's not greedy with them either. And if you order over a certain amount of money, you get a free hot water bag. And they're so cute. My suggestion would be to put in the comment section what one you would want. I should have did that. I didn't do it, but you if you order over a certain amount and you know you're going to get a water container, a hot water container, let her know which one you want, or name a couple of them, like give her options. And yeah, I recommend her 100%. She's the sweetest person one of the sweetest people I've spoken to, and it's hard to find in the slime community because everyone just thinks you want free slime. No, I spent a lot of money with her, and she was so nice about everything, and she's a great person, and she's very giving. She lives in Hong Kong, and she's offering US free shipping. Like, come on now. But yeah, I recommend her. Go shop at her shop. Get her slime. Get it good before it's all out, because I'm gonna be shopping. There again. You know what I'm saying? I definitely love her slimes. Her slimes are amazing. They inflate. All of them that I purchased inflated, and they were amazing. So definitely go purchase them. Like, she's just amazing. Her shop's awesome. She's so underrated. She should be overrated. She should be up above in the famous category. She knows what she's doing. She knows what she's doing, and she's doing it right. She's a great shop. You need to go check her out. I'll leave the link to her shop down in the bottom in the description. Definitely go check out, get some of her slimes. I mean, her slimes are affordable, and it's free shipping, and they're just amazing, okay? Amazing. The most that you're going to spend with a slime is $15, and that's 10 ounces of slime. Go get it, alright? Get it. Alright, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you're always notified with any reviews or any videos that I post up in here, on here. And also hit that like button if you like this video, if you want some more of these. If you have any ideas of other slime videos, let me know. I'll do them. I'll see if I can do them anyway. You know what I'm saying? I don't get paid for YouTube, so we'll see what I can do. But You know, I got money, so I can do things. I can do things. I can do things. I am so this. Also, everybody, if you have slime you would like me to review, just message me, comment down below, DM me on my Instagram, and I will definitely be happy to give you my address so you can send me your slimes to put into my videos to give you a shout out, and so other people can see your slimes. There's only a certain amount of slimes I can buy each haul. I'm not, rich person, and help support the channel by sending your slimes would be amazing, would be appreciated. I'll definitely promote you on every media I have and help you out because you're helping me out. Alright? Alright. I enjoy even if you want to send me a letter, squishy, your slimes, whatever, I would love it. DM me on Instagram or comment down below your email or something, and we can chat through there because I'm not going to put my address on blast, obviously. Alright, I hope that I get a lot of people that want to send me a letter or something. I love mail. Alright, I hope you do. I said alright like a million times. Back to the video. And sharing is caring. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to blow up. I'm gonna regret it. Telling you. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna have a nice giveaway because I put so much money and put so much work into this channel that I can't have it not succeed. I'm telling you, I can't have it not succeed. So help me out. Alright guys, I love you guys and thank you so much for all your support. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed giving it to you. Quality Panda out. Peace. Bye. Bye. Look at this. Really.